Hey YouTube, how's it going? So we're on lockdown here, pretty much. Like not fully released yet, but COVID-19's coming in town here. So we have to stay at home, so I can't really do too much. I'm gonna do what I can, but I think I'm gonna debadge the ram. Keep the Hemi, obviously, as people know. It's a big flex. We got our goog on. Now these just pulled off with my fingers, like that's it. Reached under and like pulled them off. Now I'm gonna try and get all this adhesive off, which let's just start with scraping as much we can off. Okay guys, so I got to halfway on the dot with just my finger picking it off and goog on. But then after halfway I was like, okay, I actually bent my thumb nail back. You know that little, everybody knows that feeling. It doesn't feel that great. So after that I was like, okay, I'm gonna run in and get so I got a blow dryer. It comes off so much faster. So I suggest using a blow dryer. Just keep making it really hot, and then it'll just like, you can just rub it off like that. I'm gonna do the R now, and then we should be good. Okay, one side's done. Now we get closer, not too bad. It's a little yellow, but you can't notice. Like you have to be literally this close to see that yellow there, but you come out, and she's good. I think that looks clean. I mean, I'm getting really bored here already. So little mods, stuff that I've been wanting to do, just too lazy to do, are gonna start happening over this. So we're gonna get on that side. Okay, so that's goo-goning right now. It's if you let it sit, it actually is crazy. I also got my fender lights going. They weren't working since Halloween. I tried them on Halloween, they weren't working. I was like, oh my gosh, what went wrong? I just had to re-download the app and re-Bluetooth it. But everything's all good. All my wires are under there, you can see all them. But it's all good. So I'm gonna go ahead. I was just testing it, so I'm gonna go ahead and then knock my battery back together. But I'm so hyped they're back. It was such a hassle to install them, and I didn't even get to use them. But now, since my rig actually looks kind of sick, it'll actually look good. It looks so clean. Okay, so obviously this side's done. Other side's done. This side actually had a few little like scuffs. We're gonna have to figure that out. But I already did a lot today. That stuff takes forever. It's really tedious. So if you're gonna go and do that, just be aware it takes like an hour at least. Just really boring sitting there scratching. So what I eventually did actually is I grabbed a glove, not like a rubber glove, but like a more like tough glove, and then I just did the friction rubbing, and it works really well. It just shredded through it. So heat with the glove is your best bet. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks pretty good. Hey boys. Okay, let's do the headlights. Pop them out. Let's take your grill out again, and then 2 screws, and it might be connected through the back under the fender there. There's a little door you'll see, and you gotta just pop something up. Other than that, it's really easy. So let's get these out. Okay guys, so as you saw, I started with this guy. Took a really long time. Popped it in the oven. 250 for 12 minutes. Perfect. Came out, was so easy. Like this all just pops out so easy. Like it's really hot right now, but I'm gonna go ahead, probably remove all this stuff. And then this is the only thing I want to paint, because if I paint this, I won't have as much light, so we'll leave that. Go ahead and paint this guy up. First coat's on. I'm gonna wait a bit, do another coat, get the other headlight in the oven. But guys, watching videos, it seems harder than it actually is. I watched a ton of videos. All you throw it in the oven is perfectly safe. Like I was a bit sketched at first, I don't know why. But throw it in the oven, 250 for 12 minutes, and there's no damage, no nothing. Then you just pry the silicone. Here's all the silicone. It just comes straight out of the little line here. And then it's off. Like it seems harder in the videos, honestly, but it's not that hard. Because new headlights like this, $100 US. So like, this is costing me $10 right now. And some silicone. This one went so quick, guys. So I put it in the oven, pulled it out. I'd say less than 5 minutes I pulled this off. Just right around the edge, pop it that way, pop it towards the side with these clips, and then it will literally go like woo, up like that, and then it's easy. It's done. We're gonna get to painting this one. This guy's drying now, looking mint. Looks so good. I'm painting this one. Now the only thing with going straight to the oven that I found is I tried to do this one with the hair dryer, and you can tell all the glue came out so easy, like long. But then I just used one in the oven with no hair dryer stuff. This is so hard to get out, and you want to get it out and then put fresh silicone in. But I don't know how I'm gonna be able to get that out. It's taking forever. I might throw it back in the oven. Okay guys, waited a long time for it to dry because you have to set it in the lens. So I'd recommend letting it dry. Make sure it's not tacky or else it will get scuffed. But don't worry if you scuff like that lip. You can see I might have scuffed it. You cannot tell though because of this, so don't worry about that. But I got silicone all over it. Thick bead. And what I realized is I actually bent the plastic too far away when I was doing it with the hair dryer. So you want to make sure your clips are in as best as possible, but just you can't go wrong with a ton of silicone. Maybe a little more there, but I just caked it in silicone. But like it still looks good. It's just that bead there. I would recommend using black, but I used clear. That's all I had, and it's coronavirus, so you don't want to go anywhere. So, but look at that. Night and day difference. It looks so much better. Can't wait to throw it on the rig, but we still gotta do the other one. Here we go guys, both done. I gotta wipe them with Windex still on the lenses here. Lenses aren't too clear, they're older headlights, but I think this looks so good. Like I couldn't be happier with the results. One suggestion again, is make sure you get all the old caulking out. I had sent it with some caulking left in. It doesn't fit as good as this one. You see this one sits higher than that one. That one's right in. This one's like got a lift kit on this side. Now I don't know if that will affect it that much. Like you can see it press down a bit, but I put a lot of silicone. I don't think it'll change the look too much. So tomorrow I'm gonna let this all dry. All right guys, next morning, let's go throw these baddies in, bro. Let's clean it up a bit. It's looking nice and fresh. Let's go throw it in. Wow. Wow, that's all I gotta say. So cheap and easy, and look how that turned out. So good. I couldn't have asked for anything better. Like, that's perfect. Just totally changes the look, and it goes with the truck now because I got my backs tinted, so now it's just perfect. Like, I was gonna buy $100 set of headlights US, so more for Canadians, but like all this costed was 10 bucks and some caulking, so like, let's say 15 bucks. Like, that's insane. Wow, I say everybody should do that. It's so easy. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about the Debadged and the new headlights. And it is raining right now, so we're gonna see if the silicone holds up, which I hope it does. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the sub button. We're at 242 when I made this. If you have any questions about anything you see, hit us up on Instagram. We respond all the time to people who have questions about our builds and stuff. But hit the sub, guys. Hope to see you guys back in another video. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Quarantine Nation. Peace.